Learn English speaking with passion and wholeheartedly.
I'm a teacher, and so are both my parents actually.
Hello, hi, my dear exuberant English learner. Welcome back to my The Lingua Utopia. I am Syed Alauddin, and today we are going to look at in English a word actually. First, we use it to talk about what is true, like word really. That means something is really true. For example, it's not actually raining today. Are bats actually blind? That is the only reason I am actually going. There are lots of people there who can actually help you. Now we are going to look at second use of the actually. We use it to correct or contradict in a polite way. Example, are you from London, Andrea? Actually, no, I am from India. We are not Canadian, actually, we are Indian. My dear students, now we are looking at the third use of actually. We use it to admit or confess something. As example, that's lot chocolate. Did you eat the last chocolate, Ayman?
Yes, actually I did.
Yeah. We use it to add information in your statement while you are talking. When you are saying something on your over phone, like you are conversating with somebody, you might introduce a new topic in your statement or in your sentence. For example, actually, I am busy right now. I am busy at the moment. Can I call you back?
I'm a teacher, and so are both my parents actually.
My dear exuberant English learners, now we are going to look at the use of actually. By number 5, we use it to emphasize that something is different or surprising. For example, the gifts were not actually all that expensive. Our turnover actually increased last year. I love fish, but I actually don't like prawns. They are not married actually. My dear English learners, now we will meet again on a very important topic. Do not forget to subscribe the Lingua Utopia. Learn English speaking with passion and with wholeheartedly. Bye.